So it's time for another car repair. So this time we're going to be replacing the battery, which is located in the trunk. And you can see here, these are the tools I'll be using. It's not really anything that you need a lot of. So 3/8 ratchet, 10 mil for the battery terminals, and then a 13 mil socket. I'm choosing to use it with my impact drill or impact gun to get this thing out. So first step obviously is located in the trunk underneath where the spare tire is. We're going to have to remove the spare tire and the cover. So what I'm choosing to do is I'm going to use my woodworking clamp, and I'm going to hold the cover up, take the tire out. So remove the tire. You can also check for the tire pressure because you never know when you might need it. Remove the cover. And then gotta remove the tool set here. And then, I know in some other videos you'll see an ECM here, but I don't have it back here. I don't know if it's because it's a Canadian model or whatnot. But you're going to be removing these 2 bolts here, and there's 2 more located at the back. That's just to remove the bracket off, and then we're going to take this cover off. That is the 4 bolts there. So now I'm going to remove this bolt here. This is to remove the hold down bracket. It's a 10 mil for the terminal. Just make sure you do ground first and then positive, or you will hurt yourself. Now this very heavy battery should be able to come out easy. It does slide. Also remember to make sure you remove this vent tube. Quite dirty in here actually. I'm just gonna quickly blow it up. Maybe I should use the vacuum instead. Just remember when you're putting the battery in, you gotta put it back in the right way. So I took it out, positive was on the left. Make sure you put it back that way. Remember it has a slide underneath, there's a little groove at the back for it to slide it in. Grab your 10 mil, tighten this thing back up. This thing doesn't have to be super tight. Cover's back on. Give it to Audi. They actually tilted this terminal up so it's easier for you to actually get a wrench on it. Just a little more. Okay, that's good. So one thing you do have to make sure you get the information off this so that you can put that in when you go in to program your car. You do have to program the battery in order for you to use it, or else it will kill your battery a lot faster than you want. So we're just gonna put everything else back on. So throw it in my hand, and then we'll use this impact gun, wrench, whatever. I'm not going to do torque specs because what's the point? Okay, install's done. Now it's time to put the spare tire back on and then do the programming. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect onto the OBDEleven. So you can do this with the VAGCOM. I've never used it. I've only ever used OBDEleven. I do like how easy it is. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect. And you're going to want to scan for your codes. Clear any codes so that it doesn't cause any other issues. Make sure you're starting from a clean slate. So we are scanning. It might take a few minutes, so just sit tight. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Gateway, which is here. Okay, so we're going to go to Gateway, which is Control Unit... Where the hell is it? Control Unit 19. We're going to go to Long Adaptation. Enter channel is 04. And that is the battery. So you're going to enter the new code. My code is completely different. Make sure you put your spaces in there, and make sure your zeros are not O's. So there you go, the new code is now in, new battery code is now in. All you had to do is just hold on to the this check button and just, there you go, everything all works. And yeah, that is how you program a new battery. I kind of find it ridiculous that you have to program a battery in a car, because this is, for me, is the first time and it's unheard of, so it's definitely something new. And yeah, there you go. Let me know what you guys think. If you've had to change a battery, like how many other cars have this battery programming thing. This is my first German car, so this is the only time I've ever had to do it. Let me know if you had to do it in a Beamer or like Mercedes or anything like that, and put it in the description, or put it down in the comments. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.